Welcome back. You can use the AI inside of Microsoft Designer in order to create video thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you go to designer.microsoft.com and you go to the Get Started tab, you can click on My Projects. What you'll then see is a new project. Then Microsoft Designer will open to its screen. You can then ask Microsoft Designer for what it is that you want. Once you have your request inside of Designer, you can then click Generate. And you can then wait for Microsoft Designer to do its work. You will then see Microsoft's attempt at creating a thumbnail for your video. Now what you'll notice after the prompt is that Microsoft suggested a prompt. So we're going to click on this prompt. We're then going to click Generate. And we're going to then allow Microsoft Designer to do its work. Now, in some cases, you may see that the sizing is not what you want. If you go to the sizing area, you can then change it to the thumbnail that you want. And then Microsoft Designer will then regenerate the images in the way that you have asked. So once you see one that you like, if you want to then begin to edit, you can click on and you can then customize the design. So basically, you can use the AI inside of Microsoft Designer and you can use it to create the image that you want. You see various alternatives here on the sidebar. Once you have a design that you think that you want, you can then click this button to download the design to your hard drive. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.